cans of our Del Monte diced potatoes. Now I'm just coming in with some diced red onion. I'm gonna sprinkle that throughout. We're making a super easy potato dish today. Now I'm gonna pour 1 stick of melted butter all over this. Delicious. That looks so good. Now I'm putting in some heavy whipping cream. Just like that. Delicious. I'm gonna add in some garlic powder. A little garlic all over these potatoes. Some ranch seasoning. This is optional. If you don't like ranch, you can use other things, but I really like ranch. Delicious. Now I'm gonna put in some shredded cheddar, because cheddar makes everything better. This is a 1 pound bag, and I'm gonna use about half of this, so half a pound of shredded cheddar. A good thick layer though, because that's how I like it. And now I'm coming in with some Hormel bacon bits. And we're just gonna sprinkle these on top. All right, I'm adding in some more potatoes, just like that. I'm gonna use the rest of my little red onion here. So this is probably about half an onion total, diced. 1 more stick of melted butter. Just drizzle that right on top, perfect. A little bit more garlic. Can never have too much garlic. It keeps the vampires away. A little bit more ranch. Y'all, this is the easiest summer dish to take to the cookout. I'm doing it in this disposable tin because I'm just planning to leave it there. If you want to leave the cookout early and you don't want to have to take your dish with you or get it back, this is the easiest way to do it. A little bit more of that heavy whip. Whip it good. Now I'm gonna come in with the rest of my shredded sharp cheddar. Just spread that out evenly on top. Perfect. And a little bit more of these bacon bitties. And y'all, this is the simplest cookout side dish. Can't go wrong. Super yummy. All right, I'm just gonna put this in my oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. I just had this in the oven for about 25 minutes to warm up those taters, melt that cheese, let it soak in that butter. Oh my gosh, y'all. Are you ready for this? The ultimate summer little side dish to bring to the cookout. Look at that. This looks so, so good. I love the canned potatoes because they're already cooked and they just need time to warm up. Wow. Outstanding flavor, y'all. The ranch, the bacon, the cheese. You gotta try this.